In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your Surveymonkey survey. This will be a simple yet effective way to enhance your survey by enabling respondents to easily access additional resources or external content seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Surveymonkey and navigate to the homepage where your projects are located. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that first. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a list of your existing surveys. Next, click on the specific survey you're working on, the one where you want to insert a link. This will open up the survey editing options. After you've selected your desired survey, look for the option labeled Build. Clicking this is your gateway to customizing the layout and content of your survey. Understanding the survey build mode is vital, as it offers various tools to personalize your questions and add interactive features like links. Your next move is to click on the text option. This will allow you to add text fields where your link will be embedded. Think of the text field as a blank canvas where you can type or paste in your content, offering a narrative or context before you add the link for your audience. Once your text box is ready, go ahead and type in any highlight or prompt that your link will be connected to. It's important that you choose your words carefully here to ensure that respondents know why they're clicking and what they can expect. Think about a catchy phrase or a clear instruction that blends well with your survey question. The next step is crucial. Select the exact text that you want to transform into an active hyperlink. This selected text is what your respondents will click on, so ensure it's relevant and engaging. Now direct your attention to the toolbar or menu area where you'll spot the link icon. Go ahead and give it a click. This link icon is your tool to open up a dialog box where you'll configure the specifics of your hyperlink. Within this dialog box, you'll be asked to fill in all necessary link details. This includes the actual web address you wish to link out to. There's usually an option somewhere in this process to select New Window, and it's often a good practice to choose this if you want the link to open in a new browser tab. This setting helps maintain the survey's engagement without entirely redirecting respondents away. With your link details all typed in and configured, it's time to click OK. This action will apply the hyperlink to your selected text, ensuring it's good to go. Lastly, remember to click Save. Saving your work is a crucial step that guarantees all your recent changes are not lost and your hyperlink is successfully added to your survey. And there you have it. A simple walkthrough on how to add a link to your Surveymonkey survey, enhancing your respondents' experience.